Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am showing you a coin which has recently launched new. It is a new coin and it is a very big project coin. It has very much hype in the market right now. It is a much hyped coin and it is a good use case, a good fundamental coins that I am going to show you. Its name is TNSR, Tensor coins. It is a NFT based coins. Let me just show you. It is a NFT collectibles NFTs and it is of Solana blockchain coin category. And if I get you to its website, let me show you. It is newly launched. They are doing something big. You should go and check their websites and projects. Quickly, I am telling you that it's a good project recently launched on Binance. It is available on all big exchanges. If you know centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges, you can purchase from everywhere. Let me show you Binance, HTX, Gate.io, OKX, Coinbase, everywhere. KuCoin, Bybit. You can buy through every exchanges, any all the exchanges it is available. So it is going down little bit because the crash of because of the consequences of World War, the news which every market is going down, and it is the right time opportunity to grab the coins which have the great fundamentals and the which comes with great utility, good investment of good fundamental use case projects. You should invest on that project. If I talk about this, it was launched at $2. Just let me show you. $2, more than $2, and currently its price is going to 0.833. It is right now at the deep. It is right now at the buying price. It is almost $100 million market cap. Soon you will get to see that it will cross more than half billion and maybe $1 billion just right after the Bitcoin halving starts. So you should check out this project. And if I tell you, if you are not confirm about this token and you have something like fear in your mind, then you should, whatever amount you want to invest 50% of right now. Suppose you want to invest $100, invest $50 right now at this price. And if it again goes to deeper a little bit, then try to add more at 0. 0.5 I am expecting, but I don't think so it will go to 0. 0.5 because this is the most strongest level. If I show you 0.8, 0.8 is the most strongest support. So if you are new in the market and you don't know which coins to buy, which are more safe, which is highly pumped and will go to dumped crash, everything I'll tell you on my insta telegram group. I have created a new group. For first 10 members I am giving it to the $20 price. Joining price is very low. I had kept because my group is new, so that you can join early and take profits earlier. I am doing research 24 hours on the market, which coins are coming and which are going to be pumped very quickly. So if you want to take the advantage, then subscribe my channel and watch all my videos, likes video, shares video, and don't forget to join my telegram group if you really want to make a good profits and earn great and huge amounts in this bull market. Wish you best of luck, all the good lucks to you guys. Meet you in the next video.